Little uncertainty in the markets today. Markets really were lacking direction after the CPI print came out earlier this morning. The initial reaction was slightly negative. Market rallied strongly before the opening, pulled back right at the opening, and then once again rallied, trying to make new highs. CPI rose 0.4% in February, 3.2% year over year. The monthly was in line, but the annual a tick hotter than expected. Focus is really now on PPI on Thursday. CME FedWatch tool, relatively unchanged after the CPI print. Prior, there was a 70% probability of a June rate cut. That has dipped just slightly. Equity option data. Last Friday, overall equity option volume hit over 2.5 million contracts, with ES options leading the way with almost 2.4 million contracts. Short-term expiration still dominate the order flow. In the last 5 trading days, options with expirations from 0 to 5 days are accounting for over 63% of total volume. Equity option open interest still sits at over 8 million contracts ahead of this Friday's quad witching. The 5,100 puts expiring this Friday have open interest over 20,000. The 5,200 calls expiring this Friday, open interest over 22,000. An ES option implied vol for Friday still sitting on the high end of where we've been, near 13%. Bitcoin, oh my, with the explosive move to new highs, activity at CME has been setting all-time records. MBT, the micro Bitcoin futures volume, soared last week as we saw 4 of the top 10 volume days led by volume last Tuesday of 136,000 contracts. That surpassed the previous high of 95,000 contracts, which was set back on May 19th in 2021. We also saw extremely heavy volume in MET, the micro Ether futures, led again last Tuesday with almost 77,000 contracts. Overall, last week, micro crypto futures had their best week ever, trading a notional value of more than $1.5 billion for the week.